As a business owner in Austin, maintaining the exterior of your commercial property is essential for creating a positive first impression and ensuring your space is both inviting and well kept. Whether you're dealing with dirt, grime, graffiti, or even stubborn oil stains, commercial pressure washing is an effective solution to keep your property looking its best. However, with numerous pressure washing services available, it can be challenging to know which one to choose. The right pressure washing service can provide long-lasting results, improve curb appeal, and help maintain the integrity of your building. In this article, we'll guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a commercial pressure washing service in Austin to ensure you get the highest quality service for your business. Experience and reputation. When it comes to pressure washing, experience matters. The techniques and equipment used can vary greatly depending on the type of surfaces being cleaned and the level of dirt or grime involved. A company with a solid track record and extensive experience in commercial pressure washing will have the skills and knowledge to handle your specific needs effectively. Look for companies that have experience working with businesses similar to yours, whether you operate a retail store, restaurant, office building, or industrial facility. A well-established company with a strong reputation in the Austin area is more likely to provide consistent, high-quality service. Check online reviews and ask for customer testimonials to get an idea of the company's reputation. Companies with positive feedback from clients will likely offer the same level of quality service to your business. Additionally, consider asking for referrals or speaking directly to other local businesses that have used the service to gauge their satisfaction. Proper licensing and insurance. Choosing a licensed and insured pressure washing company is critical for both your safety and the protection of your property. Pressure washing can be a high-risk job, particularly when dealing with large commercial spaces or delicate surfaces. Without proper licensing and insurance, you could be liable for any damage or injuries that occur during the cleaning process. Ask potential service providers to provide proof of insurance, such as liability insurance and workers' compensation coverage. This ensures that you won't be held responsible for any accidents that might occur while the work is being done. Additionally, make sure the company is properly licensed to operate in the Austin area. This indicates that they adhere to local regulations and industry standards. Equipment and cleaning techniques. The quality of the equipment and cleaning solutions used by a pressure washing service plays a huge role in the effectiveness of the job. A reputable company will use state-of-the-art equipment and environmentally safe cleaning products that deliver superior results without damaging surfaces or harming the environment. For example, hot water pressure washers are ideal for removing grease, oil, and tough stains, while cold water washers may be more suitable for routine dirt removal. A good pressure washing company will also adjust the pressure levels based on the surface being cleaned, ensuring that more delicate materials like wood or painted surfaces aren't damaged. Ask about the specific tools, cleaning methods, and eco-friendly products used. If a company is committed to reducing its environmental impact, They may use biodegradable detergents or water recovery systems that minimize runoff. Customized service for your property. Every commercial property is different, and it's important to work with a pressure washing company that offers customized solutions tailored to your needs. Some areas may require more intensive cleaning, while others may need gentle care to preserve their finish. A professional pressure washing service will assess your property and offer a personalized cleaning plan based on your building's materials and specific requirements. Whether you need your building's exterior, sidewalks, parking lots, or windows cleaned, a reputable service provider will be able to create a comprehensive plan that addresses each area appropriately. Consider discussing your goals with the company and ask them how they would approach different challenges, such as stubborn stains, high traffic areas, or weather-related issues. This will help you determine if the company is capable of providing the customized service your property needs. Transparent pricing and detailed estimates. Before committing to any service, it's essential to get a clear understanding of the pricing structure. Transparent pricing is a hallmark of a trustworthy company. A good commercial pressure washing service will offer a detailed estimate based on the size of the property, the scope of the work, and any specific challenges involved. Avoid companies that provide vague or overly generalized quotes. Instead, look for a provider that takes the time to evaluate your property and provide a written estimate with a breakdown of costs, including any additional fees for extra services or specialized cleaning. Be cautious of companies offering significantly lower prices than the competition, as they may cut corners on equipment, safety, or the quality of cleaning products. Remember, you get what you pay for. While it's important to keep an eye on costs, the cheapest option may not always provide the best results. Reliability and availability. When choosing a commercial pressure washing service, consider their reliability and availability. Your business may have a tight schedule, and you don't want to be left waiting for a company that doesn't show up when promised. A professional pressure washing company will work with you to schedule the cleaning at a time that causes minimal disruption to your daily operations. Additionally, they should be able to complete the job in a timely manner, without sacrificing quality. Look for a service provider that offers flexible scheduling and is responsive to your calls or emails. Conclusion. Choosing the right commercial pressure washing service in Austin is a critical decision that can impact the appearance, cleanliness, and maintenance of your business property. By focusing on factors such as experience, licensing, equipment, and customized service, you can select a provider that meets your needs and delivers outstanding results. A clean, well-maintained property can make a huge difference in attracting customers, improving employee morale, and enhancing your company's reputation. Take the time to find a reputable, professional pressure washing service, and you'll enjoy the benefits of a cleaner, more appealing commercial space for years to come.